All right, I got some more awesome rounds for you guys here from the First Strike qualifier. If you guys are looking for that kind of stuff, this is the place for it. We've done a lot of videos like this, so be sure to check out the other stuff that we've uploaded. But today we're going to be taking a look at 100 Thieves' new roster. We got Nitro, they got Asuna, they got Dicey, they got Steel, and they got Hiko. You know, the God Squad, a lot of really well-known players on 100 Thieves, and they're a pretty good team, honestly. They ended up qualifying. They struggled just a little bit versus a couple of these teams. One of the teams that actually stuck out to me was Moon Raccoons, and that team has ALEKSANDAR to be note. Fiend was playing Reyna in this game, and also a guy named Prophie, if you guys have heard of him. I think he played PUBG. I've been watching a lot of Prophie on Twitch. I think that he's really entertaining and very good at the game. So I was really looking forward to this game, and I was actually kind of cheering for Moon Raccoons along the way. So I'm going to show you a couple rounds from this game that I thought were really good, and kind of give you a little bit of a storyline behind the game. Before we get into it, though, if you guys haven't already subscribed to the channel down below, you should be sure to do so. I think it's something like 70% of my viewers aren't subscribed, so if you can help me out with that, I really do appreciate it. With this first round, I'm going to show you Moon Raccoons is actually going to be doing an execute over here on A. You're going to see ALEKSANDAR actually uses his ultimate on the Phoenix. He's going to be making his way into sight. Nitro's over here playing a U-Haul, a position that he played very well in this game. He's going to pick up one and unfortunately get traded to Prophie, just kind of running at him with a judge. And now Moon Raccoons is going to have the sight. It's going to be a 3v4 retake. Unlikely a retake for 100 Thieves, honestly, but it's possible. You're going to see Asuna uses this Roomba just to get a little bit of territory onto A site as they are waiting for the teammates to come in. Hiko and Dicey are going to be grouping up over here in pipes. And you'll see as Asuna's looking in, he's just looking for the first pick. Now that he has this pick, it's a lot more possible. Shock Dart lands right on him. That is 3 kills immediately. Now it is just up to Fiend here. Fiend finds 1, Fiend finds 2. And now he's going to be in a 1v1 here with Asuna. Only 4 bullets left. Going to go for the peek, and that is a whiff right there, folks. That is what we call a whiff. Completely whiffed this shot on Asuna. Unfortunately, going to show it again. Picks up the 1, picks up the 2. Now with these 4 bullets, he should have this round right here because Asuna is looking the complete other way. Misses the shot on Asuna. Asuna is going to stick the defuse. This is incredibly unfortunate for Fiend. And now you know the narrative behind this game is just, man, Fiend just kind of blew that, dude. He had a perfect shot. Blew the round completely. Chat's making fun of him. Commentators are making fun of him, dude. It's a feels bad man kind of moment where you're playing in this professional tournament. You're clearly the underdog in this game, and you know that you just whiffed just a little bit on that round, and you just feel like you're letting your team down. But the thing that I love here is that Fiend isn't actually going to let this get him down. He doesn't hard tilt after this. He doesn't just have a horrible game after this one play, which is kind of what you expect from this situation. No, they're going to go into the second round right here, and Fiend is going to have the time of his life with 100 Thieves. They're going to be walking up here short on a little bit of an eco here because they didn't win the last round. You'll notice they have a lot of classics, a lot of pistols. They're going to be walking in with the Spectres right here, just trying to look for anything that they can. Cypher is going to get picked off here. Nitro's going to pick up a 3K, dude. ALEKSANDAR gets the trade, but he's going to immediately go down to Steel right now, and now it is just Fiend left in a 1v5 here. A 1v5. What are the chances? He just completely whiffed the last round. I'll tell you what the chances are. Pretty high. You're going to see your boy Fiend playing over here in U-Haul. They know he's here. He's going to be tanking this nade from the raise there. Does find the kill onto Dicey. Good negate right there. A dismiss. I don't know what it's called. I don't know what the Reyna ability is called, but he uses it. He gets away there. 12 HP. I want to remind you that 12 HP is actually the amount that the satchel can kill you at the nerf dramatic. It actually hits for 15. He is literally a satchel's worth of HP right now. Not likely that he's going to win this round. Doubles back. He's going to take the teleporter. Hiko knows that he took the TP right here. Hiko's been waiting on site this entire time. No chance that Fiend's actually going to find him here. Does find him. Getting that heal is what opens up this round right now. Fiend actually has his ultimate. He has the heal. He's 100 HP. He's ready to roll right now. This is a winnable round. The only critique I have here, and this is what the commentators were saying, I don't know why he didn't use his ultimate. He just didn't feel the need to. I feel like it would have been beneficial here. Fiend says no. I guess the time frame for him to activate it potentially is a little risky. Maybe you get caught while you're using it, you end up dying in this clutch situation. I feel like this is what Reyna ults are for, though, so it kind of threw me off a little bit that he didn't use it here. He's gonna go into this match, finds Asuna right here, picks up the kill into Asuna, uses the dismiss once again to find Steel right there. Gonna find him there. He says no when he runs out of ammo, uses the classic to jump shoot him again, and let's see that just one more time, okay? Uses the dismiss. And the jump classic right there for the kill. Oh my god, what a phenomenal play here from Fiend. That is just so good to see. After a player, you know he whiffed. You know he's feeling a little bad about that last round. Goes in immediately into the next round and carries 1v4. Oh my god, that is just so good to see. I love to see it. Keep your eyes on Moon Raccoons in the next tournament. I'm telling you. Prophie, phenomenal player. Fiend was playing his ass off. And Alexander, dude, that dude's incredible. I got to show you one last round in this game because I can't just not show you this round, okay? They're going to be playing in this game. They're going to actually go into overtime against 100 Thieves. This is a best of 3, mind you. They are 1-1. Moon Raccoons has 1 game. 100 Thieves has 1 game. They're going to go into overtime in the 3rd game. Phenomenal game. During this overtime round, basically what Moon Raccoon's strategy is going to be is we're going to full stack A. I guess 100 Thieves maybe was playing A a lot this game. They thought maybe we can pick the site. If we full stack it, maybe we can catch them off guard. Maybe we win this round. And the steal's actually going to find a pick into showers. Just literally shuts this down quite a little bit when you're stacking, 4-stacking, and they end up getting the first pick. That's unfortunate. And they're actually even pushing B. So this was a lurk that ended up getting this pick here. A little bit deceiving. They're going to be making their entrance over here. It's really not looking good for the Moon Raccoons right now. Steel just picked up another one on A site. Uses the ultimate. Alexander sticks back and does find Steel. But unfortunately, this is going to be a 2v4 now. Really not looking good. Temperature is going to get a trade, but he's going to eventually go down. And now there's Alexander left in a 1v3. Probably one of the best plays, or at least the funniest play I've seen in a while. Alexander's going to land a hit onto Dicey in the head. Finds Asuna right here. Knows where the Omen is. Going to find Omen as well. And remember that headshot, because it's going to be important here. That headshot he landed on Dicey. Dicey's going to try to push the flame wall. And he's actually going to die to the flame wall. I've never seen that happen before, dude. I've literally never seen somebody die to a flame wall, but I just thought this was hilarious, dude. I'm going to actually go back on this one. Throws the flame wall out. I'm not sure if Dicey just forgot that he got dinked or like maybe thought the flame wall, like he never really realized flame wall does damage. But he's gonna try to push the flame wall. Just ends up going down, and Alexander's just gonna get the defuse. Unfortunately for Moon Raccoons, this is the kind of play that you think is like they win off the back of it, like with the momentum and stuff. 100 Thieves is going to end up clutching out this game, and in turn, they're going to end up qualifying as well. Moon Raccoons was very close to qualifying. I thought they played pretty well. I'm excited to see them in the next tournament, but 100 Thieves, good GG guys. They're a really fun team to watch. I'm really gonna have my eye on them in the actual closed tournament. So if you guys enjoy this kind of stuff, be sure to subscribe to the channel down below, where I'll be covering tons of more stuff from First Strike, and especially when the tournament actually starts taking place. But other than that, this qualifier has been so phenomenal, and I have tons more plays for you guys. So if you guys enjoy this kind of stuff, subscribe down below. Check us out on Twitch, where we stream pretty frequently, and then also join the Discord, dude. We have so many awesome people in the Discord. I'd really love to have you there. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.